Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to solve secondary verification issue in Roblox. If you are having any kind of issues with your Roblox account, simply go to this website and change catalog to support and press enter. And it will take you to this page. Simply write your name, your email address, and then confirm that email, and you must have access to this email. Okay, and here you put down the issues details. What device are you having problem on? So I'll select the PC. This is the device you use to play the game. Type of help category, that is very important, so choose it carefully. You can choose bug report, and then again select bug report. And description of issues, there you have to explain what is your problem. So that is the text. Good day, I'm having issues with secondary verification in Roblox. My current email address is, and then this is a blank. You need to write down your email address. Kindly have a look. Thanks. And then you just need to continue and submit, and they will get back to you very soon, and they will solve your problem for sure.